Hi, my name is Idris Gant, and this is Chapter 7, Question 12 for Video Solutions. The question asks, use a visual to find 3.5 divided by 4/5. The first thing that we're going to do is find a common denominator. So what we did was list 2 and all of its multiples, and then 5 and all of its multiples, and then find the common number that they both have, which was 10. That was going to be the least common denominator. And then we're going to convert the fractions to a new common denominator, which is 10. So we take the 3.5. The 2, to convert that to a 10, we have to multiply it by 5. So we're going to do the same thing to the top. And then that 3.5 would become 3 and 5/10. Or I could multiply the 3 wholes by 10 and add it to the 5 and have an improper fraction of 35/10. Now to the 4/5, the 5 denominator, to make it a 10, we have to multiply it by 2. And then we have to do the same thing to the numerator, multiply it by 2. So that 4/5 will become 8/10. So now we have a new problem of 35/10 divided by 8/10. Okay, for our visual, what we did was we drew out 3 holes and then 3.5 holes. Each hole is divided up into 10 equal spaces, just like our denominator. And then so we have a total of 35/10, just like the beginning of the problem. And we're going to divide it into 8/10. We're basically going to see how many groups of 8/10 fit into these 35/10. So as you can see, I use different color markers to cross out 8 different boxes at one time. And when I cross 8 different boxes, that's one set of 8/10. So after doing that 4 different times, we had 3 boxes left over. So we have 3/8 of another 3/8 of another 8/10 left over. Just like on the number line, what I would do, I would write out all my numbers, and in between each number there would be 10 dash marks, just like our denominator. And what I would do is I would start on the 35/10, which is the 3.5 mark, and I would make jumps of 8 tick marks until I get back to 0. Now as you can see, as I make one jump from 35/10, I land on 27/10. After another jump, I land on 19/10. And then another jump, I land on 11/10. And then another jump, I land on 3/10, but I have to make it to 0. So I have 3 tick marks of a jump left. So that makes it 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps, and then 3/8 of a jump, leaving our answer to be 4 and 3/8. Thank you.